So you're telling me you have 10 minutes to go to Chick-fil-A, but not 5 minutes to go stretch? Big bag, damn. Let's go stretch. I want you to roll your neck 2 times on each side, just like how you always want 2 extra sides of fries every damn time. What? Speaking of rolls, next time you want to roll back to bed, think about all the rolls you got on your back. Get up and stretch. Come on. After you're done rolling your neck, you're gonna reach to the right and just try to touch your toes. And it's perfectly fine if you can't go all the way down. Now I want you to reach for your left side now. Just like how there's nothing left after you're done with the buffet line. And if you look like this, that's fine. If you can't reach all the way down, that's what you're here for. You're here to stretch. Now reach for the middle. Just like how you're always in the middle of a snack when I post, reach for the middle. Now from here, we're gonna do a squat twice. Just like how you only stretched twice a year last year. Like, come on, lock in this year. As you can see, we're doing our squats. You can put your hands on your knees. Oh, perfect. Just twist to the side and let's do a lunge now. I know you love doing lunges because you always lunge to that door when you hear that doorbell ring because the DoorDash is here, right? What? If you can, put your elbows down for a deeper stretch. Just like how you're always down for some Chick-fil-A. What? From here, we're going to transition into a pike stretch. See how all of these stretches flow continuously? Just like how you continuously give me excuses on why you can't stretch. Alright, that's enough for the right side. We're going to switch into our left side lunge. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this video is 5 minutes long. You spend 20 minutes a day going to get some boba. You can't spend 5 minutes just to stretch? Damn. Now, same thing, we're going to transition into our pike stretch. And again, it's perfectly fine if you can't go all the way down. Eventually, you'll be able to put your palms all the way down. Okay, that's enough. We're going to transition into our straddles. Now, you know what a straddle is? And if you don't know what it is, just look at the video. I know you don't like to read, so you look at pictures. Anyways, reach to your side, your right side. And if you can, go ahead and grab your ankles. Make sure your other arm is always in front of you. Alright, go ahead and reach for the left side now. And it's perfectly fine if you can't grab your ankles. Just go as far as you can. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and I think you're good. I'm so proud of you for making it this far. Now you're gonna reach in the middle and put your elbows down if you can. Well, knowing you and your stretching habits the past year, you probably can't put your elbows down, but that's okay. That's what we're here to do. Alright, good job. Now sit back up, close them legs. And while you're at it, close that DoorDash app too, because you don't need it. Now reach forward, just like how you're reaching for that extra 5 Chick-fil-A sauces that you asked the worker to give you. Now I want you to flex your feet, get that deep calf stretch. And if you are grabbing your toes, point your feet and bend forward with your toes helping you bend forward, you know? Okay, now get up. I know you're probably sweating buckets already because you ain't never stretched. But I want you to get your yoga mat, and if you don't have one, well, that's fine. You can just use the floor. We're gonna do a little seal stretch, just like how your back is shaped like a seal. Big back. What? No, I'm kidding. So just, do the seal stretch. You can see. Oh, you're blind? Well, my bad. Now from the seal stretch, transition into a child's pose. Because you be acting like a child every time I tell you to stretch. And if you are a child, why are you so stiff? Aren't young people supposed to be flexible? Oh, and from that child pose, transition into downward dog. Because you got that dog in you, right? Well, I know you got that chicken in you because you just ate Chick-fil-A. Wait, my fault. That's me. I'm self-projecting right now. My bad. Try to keep your heels down so that you can get that deep calf stretch. And then from the pose, walk yourself forward so you're touching your toes. Stay there, you're not done yet. Now do what I'm doing. So you're grabbing your hands and you're doing that. So you're stretching your hamstrings and your shoulders at the same time because I know your shoulders are stiff. Because I know you be sitting down all day long. Alright, now I want you to reach forward and then I want you to slowly roll back up. Wow, don't you feel good after stretching? And guess what? You're done. Good job. No way, you actually made it through the whole video? Congratulations. So this is the end of day 3 of our 7-day stretching challenge. Come back tomorrow for day 4. And if you're new here, go back to day 1 tomorrow and then like reset and just skip day 3. Bye bye.